If you clicked on this video just because of the thumbnail, welcome to the best travel channel on YouTube. If you're wondering what the hell I'm doing naked in some forest in Togo, I'll explain. But we need to go 2 hours back in time. Our journey here in Togo starts in the marche de fétiche or fetish market. But fetish isn't something sexual here. Let's find out what the Togolese fetish is.
The whole of Africa, only just here that we call it fetish market.
Fetish is an object that is used in animistic religion and carries a magical power. It's usually animals' heads, skin, or even whole animals. These animals are crushed into a powder and mixed with herbs. A sick person takes a bath in this disgusting mixture that should heal him. Voodoo is the most common animistic religion practiced in Togo. Literally anything needed for the voodoo rituals can be found here in the Akodesewa market located in the outskirts of the capital city, Lomé. I bought this little thingy that is supposed to be a travel protector. You whisper your travel wish inside the hole, you close it and open it only after your successful journey. Animal parts are also used for protection of a certain place. You put a monkey's head on an iron stick like this and nobody will ever rob your house. At least in Togo. We've just found out there is a sacred voodoo forest a few kilometers from here and we're gonna have a look. But before, please protect me on my way to the forest and don't let the crazy motorbike drivers have an accident. We're good. So we are at the entrance of the sacred forest of Be. The thing is, we cannot enter with our shoes, with our t-shirt and with our pants. Well, my girlfriend is half naked though. The whole street was looking at her while she was getting undressed. Let's go. As you can see, before entering the spiritual site, the women are doing this strange noise with their fingers. It's because they need to greet the fetishes and they're saying that they are coming to the spiritual site. That's the explanation. I'm at the very first spiritual site of this forest. As you can see, there are two little huts behind me. Inside these huts there are a lot of fetishes, so scorpions, reptiles, monkey heads. Nobody can enter these huts. All the people are praying outside. And there's also alcohol for the gods. So I guess they're always having a good time. A lot of centipedes here. This is another holy place. This one particularly is for ill people, so if you're ill or sick, you come here and you pray. Under this blanket there are a lot of fetishes, scorpions, heads of monkeys, dogs, cats and so on. Very strange.
Il y a de l'eau dedans, et plus de l'eau ici pour se doucher.
This is a well with drinkable water for all the people that are doing their rituals here. Right here. To be honest, I'm a bit disappointed with these holy and spiritual sites. Most of them look like sites for homeless people. Anyway, I will not complain anymore, as I don't want to be punished by the fetish gods. So we'll be leaving this mystical forest soon. I think I will not convert to animism. Anyway, it's been a really interesting experience, but now it's time for some beer and Togolese food.